My name is Tay Davis. Here's my ID. How to create a strong, successful brand. To start off, it is commonly known that the road to success can be long, treacherous, and filled with many dead ends, almost resembling a maze. Every success story will be different, though. It will differ from person to person and place to place, no matter where you are from in the world. What every success story will share in common, though, is the tools that they use to support them along their journey. Building a successful brand is essential in providing yourself with support in achieving your goals of success, as a successful brand will prove to be an essential tool to propel yourself forward along your journey. A strong brand creates a following of people that will be able to vouch for you and will not be able to, that will choose to vouch for you and put their word on the line to vouch for your brand because they love what you do, how you do it, and what you stand for. The question is how to create a successful brand. And starting off, this can very easily be overcomplicated. The three simple things to focus on are the interactions with people, your authenticity, and then your consistency. To start off, the interactions with people might be the most important aspect in building a strong brand because the people at the end of the day will be the component that will fuel the building and success of your brand. And to touch upon that, the more people that come along, the easier it will be for your brand to be able to gain that traction and become successful. And your interactions with people to bring more people along will be important to focus on because your people will not remember your brand for a product or service per se, but mostly they will remember your brand because of the interactions that they experience with your brand and how those interactions made those people feel. And the end, whether that be their satisfaction or brought them joy, so on. Secondly, the second most important thing to focus on is to be authentic. And when I say be authentic, is just act yourself and not act out of character. And when you are being yourself and just conducting yourself as you would with everybody the same way, and you act yourself, people will recognize that you are not trying to act out of character and that you're just being yourself, and they will respect this. And this will be essential because you want people to be able to see the real you and get the down to earth version of you. And when you are authentic with people, it will make it easier for people to form a bond with your brand rather than relying on just a product or service or this or that. Their interactions with you and be able to recognize your real character, being able to get a better understanding of you will help form this bond and help people become attached to your brand. The third most important thing will be consistency, and consistency is key because when you are consistent bringing this satisfaction to these people time in and time out, and they're enjoying their experiences with you every single time they have interaction with you, then they'll be able to form reliability on interacting with your brand. They know that when they interact with your brand, it will be a positive interaction. They will be satisfied when they're finished interacting with your brand. And by providing them with consistency, the people interacting with your brand, whether it be customers, clients, so on, they will not fear dissatisfaction or will not have to worry about not being satisfied after their interaction with your brand. And to conclude, stating again, a successful brand is very important and maybe one of the most important tools in supporting yourself along your journey to success, as it will serve as a stepping stool and a safety net that will boost you up in a way because you have a strong following of people that this successful brand has brought on, that people have fallen in love with this brand. So people will vouch for you and put their word on the line, which at the end of the day will fuel your brand's growth and be able to and allow you to be able to grow this brand to be successful and strong and support you in the journey, in your journey to success.